Hello everyone, I'm Ken Ilustracion, your Misters of Filipinas, the city of Manila.
Hi, Manila.
Hello po.
Manila, how old are you now?
I'm currently 21 years old.
Bata pa. This
Yes.
is your first national pageant.
First ever pageant.
Why did you decide to join as Mr. sa Pilipinas pa?
First of all, I really didn't expect na mag-join talaga ako sa pageant na to. But God gave me opportunity, so if God gave me the chance, why not take it, right?
Nung natanggap no na ikaw ang magre-represent ng Manila, ano yung na-feel mo? Ano yung mga naisip mong preparations?
Yun nga po, at first I was overwhelmed and na-shock talaga ako since ako na walang experience or anything na pili sa ganito. And I did my best. I did pasarela training, Q&A, and such po. And marami pa kayong aabangan on this October 22, our finals na.
Since nakita mo na yung 25 candidates, sa'yo, nakita mo na yung mga candidates mo, yan, ano yung nararamdaman mo, it gives you a pressure ba nung na-meet mo sila?
At first of all po, syempre na-shock ako, siya ang pupugi eh. And all of them are my brothers po, and lahat sila mababait. And we don't treat, I don't treat them as a enemy. I treat them as a competitor. Enemy and competitor is different.
Yeah. And siyempre, ito yung first competition mo, national pa.
Yes.
Sa lahat ng mga, siyempre, naaral mo, saan ka medyo nahihirapan?
I think po, ang pinaka nahirapan ako, siguro yung Q&A ko. Kasi I'm not really good at speaking at public since most of the time, secluded person po. Kaya I did my best to overcome it by talking to public, or interacting with people.
My last question,
Yes.
ilang percent yung ready ka na matalo sa competition?
Well, matalo?
Oo, matalo. Hindi manalo.
Okay, 0%. I will do my best even though higante yung mga kalaban ko, magagaling, guwapo, maganda, may abs, matalino. I'll focus on myself and I'll do my best.
Nabanggit mo, it's 100%. Invite them to watch your coronation night and siyempre to support you.
First of all po, thank you so much on Mr. sa Pilipinas for producing such a wonderful pageantry. And please support us on October 22, 2025 on QC. And please follow,
Social media,
ano pa yung social media niya?
Ginger Bex TV.
Ay, kayo po pala yun! Please follow Junior Bex TV and my social media also, which is not.ken, and Mr. of Filipinas as well.
Thank you, Ken.
Thank you so much.